Due to its superior strength-to-weight ratio, composite materials are increasingly popular in many industries, including aerospace, automobile, and sports equipment. Taking advantage of composite materials requires designers to fully understand how fiber orientation and layup schedule will affect structural performance. The manufacturing process of these materials can be expensive. Hence, it is critical to simulate these designs. SOLIDWORKS Simulation gives users the ability to virtually test their composite materials with different types of analysis. Let's take a look at how it works. Setup of the composite analysis is the same as any other analysis in SOLIDWORKS Simulation. The one additional step is to specify the composite materials and their orientation. You can also specify whether your laminate is symmetric or if you're using a sandwich plate. Once the analysis is completed, you get detailed structural results for each layer as well as interlaminar stresses. Specific composite-related outputs like Psi-Woo and Psi-Hill criteria gives you the in-depth details to make critical design decisions when using composites. As you can see, simulating composite materials helps us understand its behavior and make better design decisions. You can do all of this in the familiar interface of SOLIDWORKS Simulation.